Hey guys, Smelling Roses here. Once again, I find myself in the Sandhills region of northern South Carolina. We're out in Chesterfield County today, and welcome to the Sandhills State Forest. The Sandhills are mainly pine barrens with very deep sandy soils and eroded quartzite rock. These sandy soils were deposited here by an inland sea that existed in this area millions of years ago. We currently find ourselves at a little saddle between two hills. Directly in front of us is Horseshoe Mountain, and in this direction is Sugar Loaf Mountain. Now, neither of these hills are legitimate mountains, although they do tower over the prevailing terrain. We're going to be taking the short climb up to the top of Sugar Loaf Mountain. Come along, let's go check it out. The path up to the top of the hill is very short, but very steep, mostly comprised of stairs, and we're going to head up in this direction. Made it to the top of Sugar Loaf Mountain, and we are at 456 feet above sea level here at the top of the hill, and pretty decent view out over the Sandhills State Forest. This hill, as I mentioned, although not a legitimate mountain, it does tower at least 100 to 150 feet over the prevailing terrain and gives us some pretty nice views out over Chesterfield and Darlington Counties here in northern South Carolina. There's the benchmark, the survey marker. And as I mentioned, it is 456 feet above sea level here at the top of the mountain. So from here we'll backtrack back down the stairs. Okay, so we're back down in the saddle. You can see there's some picnic facilities here, and they do allow some dispersed primitive camping here in this area. Pretty awesome campsites here. Making our way up to the top of Horseshoe Mountain. It would appear that this knob here is perhaps the high point on Horseshoe, and I believe it's about 387 feet above sea level. With the thick pines, you guys probably can't really tell in the video, but the hill sort of curves around and it has a horseshoe shape. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for coming along. As always, I really appreciate all your views and support. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on the trail.